High Performance Systems here with a case study we're very proud of. This project was with Rutgers University. We had done some previous work with the university, so when they needed their sports locker room and football equipment room floors redone, they called us. For this job, we specified a flooring system that was scratch, abrasion, and UV resistant. There's going to be a lot of foot traffic in those rooms, and they need a flooring system that could stand up to that. This project started with us diamond grinding the entire substrate to establish a mechanical profile. Then, we removed the vinyl cove base and cleaned up all the wall-to-floor joints. After we vacuumed the entire space and removed all the dust particles, we applied a system primer of Epoxy S 100% epoxy resin. This primer provides a strong base with good UV protection, allowing for the flooring system to be long-lasting. Next is the best part of this project. We broadcasted a custom flake blend. We worked with one of our suppliers, Torganol, to create a blend that matched the school's colors. To us, it's not just about providing great flooring, it's about going the extra mile. And with Torganol's help, we were able to do that. The next step was to apply a coat of General Polymers 4850, a fast-curing epoxy that leaves a high-gloss finish. We lightly broadcasted 46 grit aluminum oxide into the coat to ensure slip resistance and superior cleanability. After, not to be outdone by the custom flake, we hand-applied a custom logo to the flooring. Finally, we applied a Pro-Thane top coat to add extra scratch resistance, protect the logo, and retain a bright, pleasing sheen. Rutgers was left with a brand new, one-of-a-kind floor that will last for years to come. We're more than proud of how this job turned out, not just because it looks great, in our opinion, but because we were able to give back to a New Jersey institution, Rutgers University. It's more than just a flooring project, it's providing the best to our community. If you feel your locker room, gym, or university flooring can use a revitalization, give us a call at 800-928-7220 or visit us at highperformancesystems.com.